A warm welcome to all of you to the Delhi All India Alumni Meet. Today I'm here on stage to welcome a very special guest that we have amidst us, and he's also going to be the host for tonight. He is a studious student from the batch of 2011, and he claims that his MBA specialization was in PPT. Well, he was a shy introvert at IMT and did not believe in parties or drinking or dancing. And friends, he was always found in the library studying. As you know, he was a studious fellow. Well, almost. I think that's how close he got to his books ever. And most of all, most importantly, he did not believe in relationships or flirting. So, please welcome on stage Mr. Rahul Subramaniam to give a talk on IMT achievements again. Just kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, amidst your thumping applause, please welcome on stage the host for tonight, the stand-up comedian, Mr. Rahul Subramanian.
Hello. Thank you so much, Nikhil, for stalking my Facebook profile. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, can we all have a big round of applause for everyone who made it here? It takes a lot of... When I was watching our director present, I was so clueless. I felt like Preeti Zinta watching an IPL game. Successful attempt at humor. I'm going to move on to some serious stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, if I can have your... She works with Coke and is a rock star at heart. She follows her passion and performs at many professional shows. She can still sing and make the boys in her batch skip a beat. I'm sure it passes through many batches. Ma'am, yes, can we have a small performance preview? Pakka? At least a couple of words, just for us. Couple of words.
No, it's been... This is working?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's working. You want to use this? This is better.
Thank you. It's been great. And as I was telling the director, I think the alumni committee has been fabulous. After 19 years, I've actually come back to campus, and I think I've been more involved this year than I've been in the past 19. So fabulous work. And it's been a pleasure. The campus looks like something I can't recognize. It's really good, and I'm glad we had the FMCG symposium. Happy to come back for more. And
I'm surprised. I did not know this was going to happen. Yeah. So, but whatever. I mean, Alcom has been, my life at IMT. Really my life at IMT, and I'm really happy that, where it has reached today. And I'm just 2014 pass out. I don't even know what I'm supposed to say. So, but thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. I like the way you said that you had completely no idea about it, and within 2 seconds, the only person to be on stage was you. No, I'm just kidding. Thanks so much, Samir. Next, we have a gentleman called Mr. Ridesh Sharma. Mr. Ridesh Sharma has been the project champion for the relaunch of the mentorship program. He has done many online and web meetings with the current batch of students to guide them, set up the process, and is constantly monitoring them through mails and calls all the way from Dubai. Yes, Mr. Ridesh Sharma is currently based out of Dubai, and that's why he couldn't make it to this program. But we have a video all the way from Dubai, especially for you. Can we play the video from Mr. Ridesh, please? Can we play the video, please?
It gives me great pleasure in accepting the Rajiv Karwal Alumni Award, more so because it is named for one of our senior-most alumnus. The last 1 year has been very exciting as I was able to contribute to my alma mater by helping out with the mentorship program as well as the Dubai chapter. I hope I'm able to carry on in the same vein for the years to come. And I wish you a pleasant evening today. Thank you.
So is Chirag Mehrotra here? Can we ask?
All right. Next on the list is Mr. Prabhat Unmath from the 1995 batch. Can we have Mr. Prabhat Unmath from the 1995 batch on the
Prabhat.
stage, please? Mr. Prabhat Unmath on stage, please. All right. Mr. Prabhat Unmath from the 1995 batch, let me tell you a few words about him. He helped organize the FMCG meet and single-handedly organized the HR symposium at IMT this year. He has also helped us out with placements and on countless occasions with his personal contribution of time and effort. We really appreciate your contribution. Thank you so much, Mr. Prabhat. Mr. Prabhat, couple of words before you go. Just couple of words. I insist.
Well, I'm really thankful to the campus for the recognition. Actually undeserved only because of the fact that it's something that comes naturally. It's not a conscious attempt to do anything like this, but any ways that I can help the campus in any which way possible, yeah, absolutely willing to do that. And I must say that the efforts of Debashish, Manoj, Rajiv, in terms of adding more teeth to the alumni committee outside the campus, and the batch champion meet, I think the momentum has already started, and we should carry forward this. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a good evening. Thanks.
Mr. Prabhat Unmath, ladies and gentlemen. All right, the next one on our list is Mr. Abhishek Ghosh from the 2014 batch. One more young blood. Can we have Mr. Abhishek on stage, please?
Is it only Mr. Abhishek?
Yes.
Ek minute. Is it only Mr. Abhishek they're calling? I mean,
Mr. Abhishek, like Samir, has passed out from
Samir,
IMT
Abhishek
recently,
ke
but still constantly works on a lot of activities of IMT. He chaired the elections of the batch champions last year, rebuilding the Alcom structure, and taught us all that IMT is a temple with the sincerity and honesty that he brings with his efforts. Thank you so much. And before you go, couple of words, please.
Thank you so much for this. Indeed, it's an honor, sir, to get this award from you. And I hope I can continue in the same vein. And looking forward to great years with IMT. Thank you so much.
Mr. Abhishek Ghosh, ladies and gentlemen. And we move on to the final recipient of the prestigious Rajiv Karwal IMTN of the Life Award. Can we have on stage Mr. Manoj Kaushik from the 1992 batch? Yes. A superstar that you can already recognize, Mr. Manoj Kaushik. He has contributed significantly for the thoughts, momentum, and every aspect in the chairing the alumni relationship committee operations. He works from 7:30 in the morning to 7:30 in the evening at his office, then drives to IMT for meetings with Alcom every time they need him. And mind you, they need him every time. That says a lot. Why don't you make the correction for us, sir?
so he works from 7:30 to,
7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m.
and after that he drives to IMT for
Whenever they need them. That's almost.
alcohol. You said alcohol.
I said alcohol.
That is a recorded statement.
Oh my God.
He travels to IMT for alcohol.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Manoj. Sometimes it happens.
It's not fair, Manoj, that you have to travel all the way to IMT for alcohol.
You had something to say, ma'am? Excuse me? You had something to say about Mr. Manoj? Oh, we have Mrs. Manoj also here.
We have competition.
I'm so sorry for calling
So that
the
is,
beautiful lady over there as Mrs. Manoj. May I have...
so she is not Mrs. Manoj. She is Samli Rohtgi.
And where
Right.
is Vidisha?
Her batch. Her batch. If you understood. And the rest she will amplify.
Less said is better.
Okay. Deepak Gupta is here.
All right. Mr. Manoj, can we have a couple of words from you?
I think, firstly, thanks to all the friends who are here. Again, a message that you found time to be here. great, and I hope all of you are enjoying. And we hope to get more support and engagement.
I would like to request both of you to still stay on stage because there are a few more awards. And now a very special award. Ladies and gentlemen, a very special award given to those people who have worked day in and day out to make things happen. We call it the Alcom President Award. I won't reveal who these awards are for. To give these awards, I would like to. Yes, we already have. We already have. So that's how you know when someone's reading from the paper. All right. So let me not waste. First, I would like to.
Nice for me as well as for the entire Alcom team. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Actually, we have one more award before we go. Thank you so much for your MT, Dr. Vivek Banerjee. We heard you just a while back on video, but it's better to hear you live.
No, you said that you didn't understand anything. So it's great to see everybody here. I'm told that the bar is open, but I want to again reflect what Debashish just said, that this is your institute. I look forward to seeing you more often, not just in the alumni meet, but also on campus. We have a brand new campus. We have a great bunch of the new generation. They all need you as much as we do as an institute. So enjoy the rest of the evening. It's wonderful to see you here, and let's keep the spirit of IMT going.
For everything for the evening, I would request the director to please thank Rahul for a small gift hamper. Rahul, please be on stage. And I hope you continue doing this in the bar.